My name is Umaima Ahmed. I'm the CEO and co-founder of 52 North. 52 North's mission is to reinvent the healthcare journey for patients across the world. And we do this by creating clinical decision support tools that are accessible and affordable. NutriCheck is a finger-prick blood test and app, and it's designed to be portable so it can be used by patients at home or wherever they might be. The device measures neutrophils and a sepsis marker, and these are the two key pieces of information that a doctor needs to understand in order to be able to see whether a patient is actually at risk or not at risk of neutropenic sepsis. So effectively, the way we see the pathway working with NutriCheck is that instead of rushing into A&E when a patient feels unwell, they would actually use their NutriCheck solution at home. They can interpret the result either by manually reading it or by taking a photograph of the device using the app. And then if they were not at risk, they could potentially stay home. And if they were at risk, they could be prioritised for antibiotics. To date, we've raised more than £3.6 million in funding, of which about £2.3 million has been through non-dilutive grants and awards, much of which has come through Innovate UK. With this funding, we've managed to de-risk a significant amount of work through development and testing in the lab for NutriCheck. We've also had some brilliant success in the US market, as well as the UK market, engagement with a number of NHS trusts and hospitals such as Cedars-Sinai Hospital in the US, where we're on the Accelerator Programme, as well as Texas Medical Center. So really we're growing an ambitious company that wants to provide this to patients across the UK and the US and other markets.
My name is Richard Carey-Evans. I'm an innovation and growth specialist for Innovate UK. I work in and around the Cambridge area and the east of England with high growth innovative companies. The areas that we've added the most value have been around the access to finance in terms of helping them with their successful equity raises, with their successful grant applications. I think from a product perspective, the knowledge transfer partnership has been vital to them. Finally, internationalisation has been a key area for 52 North, helping them devise that US strategy and giving them some tools to be able to execute it, I think has been very useful to them.
Our relationship with Richard began a number of years ago, and he's sort of an external part of our team, is how we see him. Specifically, Richard and our team catch up every couple of months so that he knows where we're progressing, what are the next things on our horizon, and he can suggest where he can add support. And so that has happened continuously over the last few years, and again, it's around signposting opportunities for us as a company to develop, or indeed for us as individuals. He's been integral to our ability to progress and engage with many opportunities that Innovate UK offer. And really that sort of forward-looking horizon scanning has been a really important piece that Richard has engaged with us in.
52 North Health are really very much a very exciting business. I think they're a great candidate to be a Cambridge success story of the many, but they're on that pathway. They've got a very strong team in terms of management and the team they've built around them. They're strategic, they're driven, and they're great people. You know, they're nice people to work with. So, you know, I think they're going to get there.
I would highly recommend the Innovate UK business support offering. I think it's critical for any company at an early stage who is going through an R&D period to be actively engaged and involved with the opportunities that Innovate UK has to offer. And having a point of contact who understands your company, your business, your team, and what your ambitions are is extremely important and helpful.